SEBA ncert 2026 to 2027. Class 10. General Science. Chapter 1. Chemical Reactions and Equations. All in-text questions solved in one short video. Questions. 1. Why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? Answer. Magnesium ribbon should be cleaned before burning because it has a thin layer of magnesium oxide, MgO, on its surface. This oxide layer prevents magnesium from burning easily. Cleaning it with sandpaper removes the oxide layer, so the magnesium burns readily with a bright white flame. 2. Write the balanced equation for the following chemical reactions. 1. Hydrogen plus chlorine hydrogen chloride. Answer. Hydrogen plus chlorine hydrogen chloride. Balanced chemical equation. H2 plus Cl to 2HCl. 2. Barium chloride plus aluminium sulfate barium sulfate plus aluminium chloride. Answer. Barium chloride plus aluminium sulfate barium sulfate plus aluminium chloride. Balanced chemical equation. 3Ba close 2 plus Al2, so 4, 3Ba so 4 plus 12 close 3. 3. Sodium plus water sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. Answer. Sodium plus water sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. Balanced chemical equation. 2Na plus 2H2O 2NaOH plus H2. 3. Write a balanced chemical equation with state symbols for the following reactions. 1. Solutions of barium chloride and sodium sulfate in water react to give insoluble barium sulfate and the solution of sodium chloride. Answer. Solutions of barium chloride and sodium sulfate in water react to give insoluble barium sulfate and the solution of sodium chloride. Balanced chemical equation with state symbols. BaCl2, Ag, plus Na2SO4, Aq, BaSO4, S, plus 2NaCl, Aq. 2. Sodium hydroxide solution, in water, reacts with hydrochloric acid solution, in water, to produce sodium chloride solution and water. Answer. Sodium hydroxide solution, in water, reacts with hydrochloric acid solution, in water, to produce sodium chloride solution and water. Balanced chemical equation, with state symbols. NaOH, Aq, plus HCl, Aq, NaCl, Aq, plus H2O, L. Questions. 1. A solution of a substance X is used for whitewashing. 1. Name the substance X and write its formula. 2. Write the reaction of the substance X named in 1. Above with water. Answer. 1. Name of the substance X. Substance X is equal to quicklime, calcium oxide. Chemical formula is equal to CaO. 2. Reaction of quicklime with water. Balanced chemical equation. CaO, S, plus H2O, L, CaOH, 2, Aq, plus heat. 2. Why is the amount of gas collected in one of the test tubes in activity 1.7 double of the amount collected in the other? Name this gas. Answer. During the electrolysis of water, water breaks down into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Balanced chemical equation. 2H2O, L, electricity, 2H2, G, plus O2, G. Questions. 1. Why does the color of copper sulfate solution change when an iron nail is dipped in it? Answer. The color of copper sulfate solution changes from blue to green because iron is more reactive than copper and displaces copper from the solution. As a result, iron sulfate, FeSO4, is formed and a reddish-brown layer of copper is deposited on the iron nail. Reaction. Fe, S, plus CuSO4, Aq, FeSO4, Aq, plus Cu, S. 2. Give an example of a double displacement reaction other than the one given in activity 1.10. Answer. An example of a double displacement reaction is Pb, NO3, 2, Aq, plus 2Ki, Aq, PbI2, S, plus 2KNO3, Aq. In this reaction, lead nitrate and potassium iodide exchange ions to form lead iodide, yellow precipitate, and potassium nitrate. 3. Identify the substances that are oxidized and the substances that are reduced in the following reactions. 1. 4Na(S) plus O2G, 2Na2O(S). Answer: oxidized substance. Sodium, Na, is oxidized because it gains oxygen to form sodium oxide, Na2O. Reduced substance? Oxygen, O2, is reduced because it combines with sodium to form sodium oxide. Reaction: 4Na(S) plus O2G, 2Na2O(S). 2. CuO(S) plus H2G, Cu(S) plus H2O(L). Answer: oxidized substance. Hydrogen, H2, is oxidized because it gains oxygen to form water, H2O. Reduced substance? Copper, 2, oxide, CuO, is reduced because it loses oxygen to form copper, Cu. Balanced chemical equation: CuO(S) plus H2G, Cu(S) plus H2O(L).